In this AI tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to convert images into videos and animations, bringing still pictures to life using the image to video feature. Without the need for expensive hardware, without knowledge of software like 3ds Max, Maya, or Blender, you can simply and quickly create videos and animations using AI and have your own filmmaking studio. Watch this video carefully until the end because golden tips are revealed throughout this tutorial that will amaze you.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman and this is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Iman Global YouTube channel.
First, we go to the Viggle AI website. You need to create a user account. Click on the sign in button located in the top right corner. You can log in using your Google account or personal email. Preferably, I click on Continue with Google, select one of my logged in Gmail accounts, and proceed to log in. Now, I click on the Home button in the top left corner of the site to return to the main page. In the dashboard, clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner gives access to the user profile as well as the logout option. Next to the profile icon, you can see the number of credits available on this website. Upon creating an account, you receive 80 free tokens per month. By clicking on subscription plans, you can explore the AI's available plans. At the end of this tutorial, after using the free plan, you will know whether it is worth upgrading to a premium plan or not. Viggle AI is a video and animation generator with the image to video feature, which allows you to transform images into videos and animations, effectively animating still pictures. Compared to many AI tools available today, this feature delivers better performance with fewer errors. I am sure you will be amazed by its capabilities once you see it in action. Let's explore the power of the image to video option with some examples. From the left menu, I click on Image to Video. On the new page, you will see a list of previously created videos and animations. From the drop-down menu in the top left corner, you can access different versions of Viggle AI. At the time of this video's release, version 2 is the latest one available. Make sure the Image to Video tab is enabled. Here, we have two options for animating still images. In the first method, you need to upload both the first frame and the final frame of the animation. Then, the AI generates the intermediate frames based on a prompt and its intelligent processing. This approach is fascinating and impressive, but it is not the focus of this tutorial. We will cover it in future lessons. In the second method, you only need to upload a single image. Then, by providing a prompt and adjusting some settings, the AI animates the image and converts it into a video or animation. Now, let's explore the second option together. I click on Upload Image and select an image from my hard drive that I want to animate and bring to life. I generated this image using PixVerse AI. If you're interested, I have many tutorials on creating cartoon-style images on my YouTube channel, Iman Global. After uploading, the thumbnail of the image appears in the Image to Video box. Now, I need to type my idea for animating this image below it. For this example, I simply want the character to smile, so I type the word smiling. Now, let's move to the Settings section. In the Duration section, free accounts can select 4 seconds, while the 8-second option is only available for paid plans. In the Resolution section, only the Speed option is available in the free plan, while 720p and 1080p resolutions are exclusive to paid plans. In the Movement Amplitude section, you can choose between small, medium, and large. If you want minimal movement in the scene, select small. If you prefer more dynamic movement, choose large. Selecting Auto allows Viggle AI to decide the amount of movement in the scene based on the image and prompt text. In the Amount section, you can control the number of videos generated per process. However, in the free plan, only one video is generated per process. As you saw, the free plan is still useful and gets the job done, but premium plans offer more features and greater flexibility. After setting everything up, I click on Create. This generation process deducts 4 tokens from my free plan credits. My request is now in the queue, and after a short wait, the video is ready. I play the video to review it. The result is not bad, but it could be better. If you click on the video, it will open in a new frame. To get better results, you should adjust the prompt text and repeat the generation process. When you hover over the video frame, you will see the Download Video button in the bottom right corner. By clicking the three-dot menu in the right corner of the video frame, you can access the delete option to remove the video. Now, here's an important point. This video was generated using the speed resolution option, but we can increase its quality right now. If you are satisfied with the animation style and movement, it's time to enhance the resolution. To do this, I click on HD, located in the right corner of the video frame. Upscaling the video costs another 4 tokens from my credit balance. I click on Confirm. My request enters the queue, and after a short wait, the higher quality version of the video is ready. I play it to review. The video quality is significantly improved, and the result is satisfying. I download the video. But let's test this AI again to be absolutely sure of its image-to-video capabilities. I delete the previous image and click on Upload Image. I select another image from my hard drive that I want to animate. This time, the image is of Batman. After uploading, the thumbnail appears in the display box. Now I need to type the animation idea. In this example, I want the character to walk a little, so I type walking. With the same previous settings, I click on Create. Again, 4 tokens are deducted from my free plan credits. My request is in the queue, and after a short wait, the video is ready. I play the video to review it. The image-to-video process worked well, and my prompt walking was executed. But let's tweak the prompt a bit. This time, I add smiling to the text, and to create more movement in the scene, I select the medium option for movement amplitude. After these changes, I click on Create again. Another 4 tokens are deducted. My request enters the queue, and after a short wait, the new video is ready. I play it to review. The image-to-video process looks good, but by repeating the generation process, we can get even better results. Now, it's time to enhance the video quality. I click on HD in the right corner of the video frame. Upscaling deducts 4 more tokens, so I click on Confirm. After a short wait, the high-quality version of the video is ready. I play the video, and the quality is noticeably improved. The result is satisfying, and I download the video. But here's the real question. How can I believe that AI just turned a static image into something that looks like a Pixar animation? The future is truly mind-blowing. Viggle AI has fewer errors compared to other AI tools. I really liked its performance in the free plan. At first glance, you might think this AI isn't great, but as you saw in this tutorial, I was able to generate some really impressive videos with it. The animations and videos created in the free plan were actually quite good, and if you use the paid plans and generate outputs in 1080p, the quality will undoubtedly be even better. Everything depends on your prompt and the number of attempts you make. If you write detailed and well-structured prompts and experiment multiple times, you will definitely achieve great results. I highly recommend trying out this AI. One important question. If you learned something new from this tutorial, it's time to smash the like button. New AI tutorials are coming soon to the channel, and they will blow your mind. If you want to make your learning journey even more exciting, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Remember, AI is the future, and the future is happening right now. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. We're going to take it to the next level.